school chaplain, Monsignor Mario L.M. and our SPCSS Academic Affairs Officer, Dr. Adoy. We would like to address as well our school principal, Mrs. Johnny B. Malaga, our junior high school academic coordinator, Mr. Sonny M. Machenzo, and our elementary academic coordinator, Mrs. Marinella D. Feliciano. As the famous Vladimir Lenin said, learning is never done without error and mistake. Looking back, many of us have faced a myriad of hardships, trying to figure out what is right, feeling uncertain things, getting disappointed at times, and almost giving up just to reach this stage. However, it was all truly part of the process. And after all, it will eventually turn out to be a lesson for us in the years to come. So I respectfully thank all our teachers and parents for allowing us to make errors and for molding us into the perfectly imperfect being of ourselves. We may have done a lot of mistakes, but they made us grow, God-fearing, and shaped into the person we are today. We would like to express our gratitude for your outstanding leadership and guidance, our principal, Mrs. Johnny B. Malaga. Your dedication and our school success is truly evident in the achievements of us, your students. We are also thankful for the enormous level of hard work from all our subject teachers, being our astounding guide and support as we navigated through challenges and difficulties with confidence. We thank you for helping us discover who we are and for encouraging us to do our best. To our exceptional advisors, we appreciate all of your help both in and out of the classroom. You have made a real difference in our learning situation and in our life. We will never forget everything you have done for all of us here. Legal leaders are also grateful to the school administration, faculty, and staff in maintaining a safe community for us where the pursuit of academic excellence and the nurturing of spiritual growth are fostered. Furthermore, we extend our gratitude to our parents for their unwavering love and support as we celebrate this milestone together. We are reminded of all the sacrifices and encouragement you have provided for us to reach this completion. To all of our family, we are profoundly grateful to have you as our guiding light in this adventure. To my fellow completers, our journeys are a long way ahead. Our mistakes are just as important as our success. Let us not aim to be perfect, but rather be an inspiration and a good example to others. So in behalf of everyone who has come here, to witness this closing chapter, and to support us for welcoming a new one, let us celebrate our remarkable accomplishments, cherish the small moments, and look forward to a bright future ahead of us. Thank you and congratulations.